Good morning po, si Kobe Charles po dito. At nandito po ako sa Mary Health of Christians Parish National Shrine dito sa Barangay Don Bosco, Betelgeuse Subdivision, Parañaque City. So, attend na po na ako ng 8 a.m. Mass and nag-serve po ako ng 10 a.m. Mass as a lay minister here in Mary Health of Christians. So, mag-10 a.m. na po. Today is the feast day of Christ the King. So I hope makapagsimba na po tayo or magsisimba na po tayo. So syempre, be careful po kasi medyo umuulan sa labas. And ayun, syempre, bilang Sunday obligation, bilang Catholic, as Sunday obligation, we have to attend Mass. And yun nga, may binibigay na leaflet kanina, leaflet sa Christ the King. I'm very fortunate to receive one. And again po, stay safe always tayo. Siyempre magnilay and may God always bless, protect, and guide us all. Again, si Bobby Charles po dito. Stay safe po, stay healthy, and may God bless, protect, and guide us all of us always. Okay, you just witness yung misa po sa Mary Health of Christians Parish National Shrine dito sa Barangay Don Bosco, Betelgeuse Subdivision, Parañaque City. So, sineselebrate po natin yung feast day ng Christ the King, ni Papa Jesus Christ the King. So, nakapag-simba na po ako, nakapag-serve na rin. And I hope you do the same sa mga hindi pa po nagsisimba, sa mga simbahan. So, syempre po, pinipray po natin na mag-grant po sana yung mga prayers natin. And again, this Kobe Charles, Kaluya, may God bless, protect, and guide us always. Stay safe always, and may God bless always. Happy Feast Day of Christ to all of us.